I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Mi Home app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click on notification settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on system notifications. Then you come to notifications. On the notification bar, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.